Guys, Dr Nora here. My one health tip for you guys this week is these do not belong in your ears. No. These cotton Q-tips are essentially made for makeup only. They're not designed to be put into your ears for digging out any wax, because what can happen, and very commonly can happen unfortunately, is when you use them to push inside of your ears, the wax gets compacted and it goes even further deep into your canal, and it's a lot harder for us to fish out. But not only that, it can also pierce through your membrane, your eardrum, and it can cause perforations, which are not pleasant because that can lead to hearing loss, and it can also get stuck inside of your ear. So many times have I had to fish out the cotton part of these Q-tips in people's ears, and that's not a funny feeling at all. So if you are struggling with wax, my best advice for you guys is to use some wax drops that you can get from the chemist, which will just really nicely soften up those earwax that you might have. Or alternatively, if you're really struggling and despite all of the wax drops you've got, you might have to come in and see a doctor for some ear syringing. Yes, that is right, we can use this device which will get rid of your wax for you with jets of water. But of course, if you want to avoid all of that, just make sure you keep on top of your wax drops and avoid those cotton tips. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and stay healthy.